In this video, we will show you how to replace your dual horn assembly. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started on replacing our horns. Once you lift your hood, we're going to have to remove the plastic that comes across the front. For this, you'll find that you have 3 push clips, one on either side and then one in the center. In the center of ours, it's missing. We'll continue on over to the far side. Lift this up and out of here. Continue on to lifting up the plastic piece carefully and removing it from the vehicle. With that out of the way, you have a nice clear view of your horn assembly. Over on the passenger side, you'll find the wire connector. It has a rectangular squeeze tab you can squeeze with your thumb and gently pull it off. Every time you disconnect an electrical connector, take a peek. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion and that would need to be dealt with. Ours looks fine, so I'll set it aside. Continue on to your 1 8mm headed mounting bolt. Let's go ahead and remove that and then the horn assembly. There it is, friends. Okay, friends, let's get ready to install our dual horn assembly. We'll take that and put it in position. Make sure that you do not pinch any of your wires. Continue on with your mounting bolt. We'll start this in, snug it up. Make sure that's nice and tight. We'll give it a wiggle. Continue on to connecting your electrical connector. We'll press this in, listen for a click. Give it a tug to make sure it's completely secure. Continue on to putting on your plastic panel. Install all of your push clips. Should have one in the center. Okay friends, we showed you how to install your horn assembly. At this point, hop inside the passenger compartment and test the horn's functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.